Welcome. In this video I'll show how to change your phone number on Android. So if you would like to actually change your dial number, your phone number, there is no way around it but to directly contact your carrier or cellular or mobile operator and request the phone number change. If what you are after is the display phone number, or you perhaps changed it already with your carrier but the change is yet to be properly reflected on your system, you will need to open Google app, go into settings, or your profile rather. Well, this account is invalid, so let me just quickly switch the account, which I for some reason cannot do even though I have another account signed into, but that's fine. That's the system bug, I guess, so no harm, no foul. Usually you'll be able to access it through here. So yeah, Google, then tap at your profile here, or manage your Google account. Well, not profile, yeah, my bad. Tap on the manage your Google account directly. Then open the personal info section, scroll down, and here you'll find the phone number or numbers. So tap into here and change them. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.